What's up, YouTube? Listen, guys, I'm tapping in, man. A crazy day in the market on today with the CPI report coming out and seeing stocks go down and then bounce all the way back up, only to just kind of trade sideways for the remainder of the day. But with that being said, guys, we want to talk all about it. But before we do that, please make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure this video get at least 2,000 likes. Do that for me, please, and thank you, guys. And also, man, major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day. Today was a great lesson in why we need to see profit, take profit, / get in and get out, okay? I'm gonna share some of my plays with you guys on the day, but I'm gonna highlight a few others as I talk you guys through this. Today, in the morning, guys, once that data came out and that report hit, boom, stock sold off instantly, man. And again, puts printed if you had some puts in place, whether you jumped in them this morning or you had them from a previous day, they did their thing. But did you guys notice the moment you thought the market was going to keep going down and sink further, did you see the bounce happen and then the stocks begin to rally? All right, and that is one of the reasons why I always just talk about the importance of seeing profit and taking profit, because 1 minute you can be spot on, and then the next minute the market can change directions on you and it can change course, and then all of a sudden, boom, a play that was a winner now is at break even, okay? So with that being said, guys, I wanted to highlight the importance of that, because listen to this, guys, guess what? We're gonna get another shot at it tomorrow, okay? We got the PPI report coming out tomorrow, and with that being said, it's not gonna hit like the CPI report hit. However, regardless of that, what's going to happen, I believe, from my vantage point, you may see the market gap down tomorrow to go to the levels that it should have went to had it not traded sideways. Remember, guys, we talked about barcoding and the fact that the market at times can do what we call a premium burn and just kind of, you get into play and then it kind of does nothing right when you get into play. Okay, today was one of those type of days after the initial volatility in the market. Tomorrow, look to print tendies, look for a little bit of action headed to the weekend, all right? With that being said, guys, I wanted to share with you guys, I had an Apple put, okay? I had 2 puts on this, okay? Same exact play. One that I took profit on yesterday, one that I held just because I wanted to take advantage of what I thought would be the case today, which was if we got a bad print from the CPI report, that the markets would sell off. And sure enough, it did just that, guys. And I was able to, you know what I'm saying, knock this play out the park. All right, guys, it's okay to go back to the well when you have a winning strategy, when you have a winning play. All right, I was looking at Apple, and I'm giving you guys this in case anybody wanna test this out for yourself, okay? And I tell you guys ranges every day in the Discord for a reason. I want to psychologically imprint for you levels that I want you to be thinking about. So check this out, guys. Apple at the $147 level, it's been a lot of resistance, okay? And so to yesterday, I was like, man, I want to get Apple at 147 with the thought that it could come down to 144. Guess what, guys? It came to 142 this morning. And so, boom, I was right there, knocked it out the park, okay? There's just another swish. But then, guys, after it hit 142, it rallied all the way back up to 145. And then guess what, guys? It tested 146. What did I just say about Apple? The level of resistance is at 147. So I saw that they couldn't get through 146. This is how you can rinse and repeat, okay? You can buy Apple at 146. Yeah, it might show some strength, meaning it might hang out there at that level. But once it starts to come down, it's going to retest 144. And then where we see it go today, 142, eventually, potentially making its way back down towards 140, okay? Listen, guys, don't complicate the game. Keep it simple. Use charts if you need to use charts. Use common sense if you need to use common sense. Study behavior fluctuations and patterns that you see with the stocks that you are focused on. And this is also why it's important to focus on one play at a time, because you start to see those patterns develop. I saw that trading channel that Apple was trading within. And so I was able to say, you know what? Make sure that I'm being patient enough to wait for it to actually get to 147. Because although you can be right, you can be early. And so say if you buy at 144, then it go to 146, even though it might come to 142, you still had to deal with that whole time period. It was sitting at 146. You will be right in the end. But if we can work on our entries and work on our patience and really understand the range in which your stocks are trading in, it really helps, guys. So I just wanted to share that home run with you guys on the day. Again, man, there's many ways to do your thing in this market. If I can be of service, guys, please don't hesitate to reach out for mentoring, coaching, the option coaching, whatever it is. Okay, I'm here for it. With that being said, guys, the thing I want to put on you guys for the following next couple days, all right, you may see the market get very volatile. We may potentially now get a 100 basis point rate hike coming up based off of that crazy CPI print that we got today. And so now that that's potentially on the table, you need to factor in how will the market respond to that, okay? And so, yes, I need you guys to watch out for the pump fakes, okay? Watch out for the pump fakes, meaning the type of rallies we got today. Watch out for those, because ultimately the stock market is trying to head lower, but it don't mean it won't go without a fight, all right? So remember that for me, and I need you guys to have this plan in place by Friday, okay? Think about a stock that you are eyeing. Pick one, okay? I don't care if it's AMD, we hit that out the park. I don't care if it's Apple, SPY. It's all kind of plays, okay? Tesla, but pick one. Pick one, choose one. And again, do your thing. Trust your levels. Trust what you see, okay? Look at your high of the day. Where did it open? What was the low of the day? Where was the high of the day? Okay, look at that range and then see if there's any opportunities you can take advantage of off of what you see. Don't overcomplicate this game. Use your charts. If you know how to use charts, jump in the Discord. If you don't, we can teach you how to do that. Get with me one-on-one. I can teach you how to do that. But don't let nothing stop you, okay? Don't let anything stop you. Listen, guys, it was a crazy day in the market. But, man, you guys were so resilient in terms of still making moves, making money, and making plays, man. And I couldn't be more proud, man. So I just want to say major salute, guys. Keep up the good work. But listen, man, it's more volatility ahead. Now that 9.1% print is out, guys, the Fed got work to do. He's dragging his feet. He got to turn up a whole lot more. When he turns up, the stock market will go down. Even if it go down, whether it's a slow bleed or it's a bunch of gap downs at the end of the day, so they might make the market do like they did today, trade sideways for 3 hours. But then the gap down every single day will slowly take us down lower, and eventually we will go a leg lower till we make new all-time lows in the market before we find a bottom, okay? But guys, stay on guard, stay on point. More importantly, stay 10 toes down, man, and keep doing your thing, man. Way to get busy today. Listen, guys, if you need coaching, don't hesitate to sign up for one-on-one coaching. Also, guys, remember, when they sleep, we eat. When they panic, we pounce. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.